Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Workable HR. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser. And then it's in the search bar at the top, you just have to type out workable.com and you will be directed to this website. Now right here, we can request for a demo or start a free trial. Okay, so right here on the free trial, it is very important that you have your work email or company email so you can start a free trial. Okay, so just type out your first name, last name, your work email, and then your password. You can also sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, and LinkedIn. Okay, so now let's go back here. So since we don't have an account that we can use yet, and yeah, we have to wait if we are going to request for a demo. So what we're going to do here is we are going to talk about the important things about the Workable HR. So let's go to the product section. Okay, so Workable HR is your complete HR and hiring platform. So here we have candidate sourcing suite. Okay, so we have job posting and distribution. So we have 200 plus free and premium job boards. So you can post your job to 200 plus job boards simultaneously, reaching a wider audience with a single submission. We have multi-language hiring options, no-code careers page builder, jobs widget and API access, and jobs by Workable. So that's for the job posting and distribution. Now for the candidate sourcing and outreach, we have 400 million plus searchable candidate profiles, so you can search and filter our extensive passive candidate database using custom filters and advanced search criteria. Search yourself or use AI to find qualified candidates that match your specific requirements. So we also have AI-powered candidate recommendations, candidate database management, automated social media promotions, and Chrome LinkedIn extension. Now, for the recruitment marketing, we have mobile optimized application forms. So we can offer candidates easy-to-use mobile-friendly application forms with autofill and one-click application options. We also have employer referral program, referral management dashboard, and LinkedIn RSC integration. So you can connect Workable to LinkedIn recruiter system, connect RSC to access information when and where you need it without having to switch between platforms. Now for the applicant tracking system, we have candidate evaluation. So we have talent CRM database, anonymized screening, standardized interview tools, and AI-powered candidate screening, and one video interview and science-backed assessment. Now, for the collaboration tools, we have two-way email and calendar integration, video conferencing integrations, third-party tool integration, candidate profile sharing, customizable user permissions, customizable candidate profiles, mobile app for hiring teams, candidate self-scheduling, and comprehensive interview coordination. Now, for the automation and hiring, we have automated recruitment tasks, candidate text messaging, advanced reporting and analytics, offers letters and approval workflows, custom hiring pipelines, department hierarchy. We have GDPR, CCPA, and EEOC or OFCCP compliance. And we have candidate surveys, single sign-on support, developer and BI tool access, requisition and budgeting workflows, and salary estimator. So for the salary estimator, as you can see, access accurate market salary data to inform your hiring and budgeting decision effortlessly. Next, we have the HR information system or HRIS. Now, for the onboarding, we have centralized onboarding portals that can provide new hires with a single home base for welcome messages, company videos, e-signature documents, and personal profile completion. Now, for the role-specific onboarding templates, you can create and apply customized onboarding workflows for different departments, locations, or rules to ensure relevant experiences for each new hire. And here we have simplified document management, custom onboarding tasks, onboarding progress dashboard, and team collaboration tools. So you can keep your HR team and line managers informed with shared access to onboarding statuses, notifications, timelines, and task completion for each new employee. Now, for the employee management, we have flexible employee profiles, self-service employer records, organized searchable company file storage, fileable document templates with e-signatures, automated org chart, searchable employee directory, employee lifecycle management, and we also have multi-currency support and comprehensive interview coordination. Now for the time and attendance system. We have time off and attendance. So employee time of requests enable employees to submit and track time of requests through an integrated calendar, complete with manager approval workflows. We have automatically create and customize holiday schedules, set work schedules, multiple time of policy management, time tracking. We also have comprehensive time data reports, so you can generate detailed attendance reports for payroll processing, compliance, and analysis. Now for the performance reviews, we have configurable performance review forms, customizable review cycles, multi-level feedback system, and performance analytics. For the payroll, we have payroll processing tools, we have payroll software integration, we have multi-state country payroll, and export to any payroll provider. Now, for the AI-powered HR tools, in creating content, we have AI job description generator, AI interview question generator, we have now, in creating content, we have AI job description generator, AI interview question generator, and personalized email creator. For the sourcing and matching candidates, we have AI candidate sourcing. So you can use the AI to scan the database of over 400 million passive candidate profiles to proactively find matches for your jobs before you even start searching. We have resurface candidates. AI automatically identifies and resurfaces qualified past candidates from your existing talent pool whenever you post new job openings. We have intelligent social targeting. So with a click of a button, Workable's AI identifies 1,000 plus of your top passive candidates, then displays your job ad in their social media feeds. So we also have the AI assistant applicant screening. And for the automating task, we have intelligent resume parsing, automated candidate outreach, real-time salary estimator, and Workable assistant. So for the additional features, we have here dedicated account manager, responsive support team, self-service learning resources, training sessions, and more. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.